I got some bread with like jam, Nutella, and then she got some cheese with eggs. So yeah, and a hot chocolate, some tea. Just the classics, you know. So we are now walking around the town and just exploring. And she's being my tour guide, so we're doing that. But yeah, I'll show you around. And here we have Beethoven's house. Wow, he was born here. We didn't go in the house, but we just looked at it. And I mean, it's a house, so yeah, but I mean, it's so cool to be like, hey, I saw that. But it's just a house, you know. This is cute. There's like a little market going on. And then we're gonna walk around this way to go see the city hall, or the old city. It's not city hall anymore, right? You also got the little Bonn sign over there, which is covered by things. Oh, look at it. It's so cute. Oh, munchies. This hotel. This is the city hall. So pretty with all like the gold and the steps that go up. I like it. It's cute. And then here we have, this is Helga's school, or I don't know if do you actually study in this one or
finals.
This finals, okay. Because there's multiple buildings, but look how nice that is. A little castle. We've just walked in. Kind of like main area of the school. She's just checking if I can even go inside because we have a feeling it's not actually like open because it's Saturday. Is it open? Okay. Okay, we're gonna go inside and have a little look at the University of Bonn. Just walking down here because the security came to us. We're like, nothing's open, but you can walk in the hallway. So we're like, okay. But there's literally nobody here. It's like weird. It's like walking in an abandoned building. Way bigger than my school. This is the building we're in. So I think my school would be like the size of just this part, like 2 floors. That's so funny, the train. This is pretty too. Fancy. And there it is outside. Oh, I like that little gold thing up there. It's kind of cool. Apparently this is like their little cafeteria while the other one's being renovated. And they have a nice little grass area. It's so cloudy today. Like Beethoven's face on the green light. That's so funny. We have now walked all the way from down there, but we now, there's another castle, which is apparently the same owner of the school one you can see like way over there. It's pretty. We're now walking around a garden just behind here. Look at this heron though. It's just chilling. It's a frog? Oh yeah. Frogo. It's really pretty. Just walking around a palace garden. Oh, it's so pretty. I just waited like 10 minutes because I wanted a disposable photo. Oh, I don't know where I'm going, but I just waited like 5 minutes maybe to take a disposable photo with no one around at the palace. But there's little goats here, which is so cute. I just want to show you. So cute. Kind of look different than Canadian goats. Maybe it's just because they have long hair. Now we've come around the other side. Sun's out now. But there's a little greenhouse that we're gonna go inside. Now our hair's gonna get really frizzy. So nice. Look at these. What are those? Those are cute. Look at these lily pads. Holy. I'd love to just like sit in one, but they don't hold that much. That's so pretty. Oh really? Oh my god. Oh, that's funny. And the flowers are so pretty too. And then right next door there's like a little desert, which kind of freaks me out. I hope there's no like scary bugs. Not scary bugs. I'm just hoping there's no like snakes, which I don't think there would be. Whoa, these are weird. Look at this. Just like twisting. They're huge. I'm not expecting that. So the Haribo shop where it's originated. The BO stands for Bonn. Let's go inside. Oh wow. Maybe I should buy some. So there's so many flavors. Gonna get a photo with the bear. So we've now left the Haribo store and I got little gummies and a little magnet of a gummy bear. But now look at this church. It's really cool. We're gonna see if we can go inside. It should be open. And then we're gonna go for tea after that. Inside this church, wow. Stunning. We're gonna go down there and see what's down there. Oh my god, is it a tomb? And then this is the old German post office, which is really cool. It's a little central area. Oh yeah, and there's Beethoven right next to the post office. And I was saying how there wasn't as many like traditional German houses that I've seen, like, you know, but this is the one we're gonna go have tea in, which looks a little more traditional. A little table, nice little view outside. So I'm thinking of going for an iced tea, just because I'm a little hot. I think I might do peach one. But they do sound all kind of cool. The banana one kind of sounds kind of cool too. So we'll see. Got my banana cherry iced tea. And then a cute little, I don't even know what kind of cookie is this? Like a shortbread?
No, it's just served with the tea.
Oh, okay, okay.
I think the shortbread is still coming.
It's cute. Okay, we have had our tea, and now we're gonna go to a grocery store because I just want to see what it looks like what the differences are, and if there's anything I want to get. It's the bakery. We're at McDonald's, and they have like eggplant nuggets. They have 5 burgers, or no, 3 burgers and like meals. So cool. It's our little podcast outside. But I feel like I'm gonna fall in this chair.
You're not gonna fall.
I know. Okay, here are the McPlant nuggets. Taste test review. Are they good?
Yeah, I like those.
Good. What hot. They're just good. They're just like a normal.
I know.
But they're like fried nice. Is that fried? I don't know. It's fried. Like they're nice on the outside. I'd rate it a 10 out of 10. So I just went to the bathroom, but we are now at a restaurant to get sushi. It's not German at all, but it's okay. We're just going through different themes just to try it in different countries, you know? And then we're gonna go to a cocktail bar again. Here's our dinner, very German. We got some sushi. Got some more sushi. That looks good. That one looks good.
Huge.
Excited. Ice cream. Ice cream time. Ice cream. I'm excited for the flavors, but I'm also nervous.
See which they have.
Better not be avocado. Here we got the ice cream. I got a big one of peanut butter, mango, raspberry. Oh, I don't know. This was like peach jasmine tea, and then this was salted caramel. And then hers is crazy. I found it before, but like, I already forget what yours. Vanilla?
Yeah.
And then what's the topping? Like cherry topping?
Yeah. No, that's
Pigeon?
strawberry.
Oh, strawberry and like some white chocolate flakes. Yum. Got today's breakfast, eggs Benny, and an omelet. And then of course like tea. We have finished breakfast and we are now walking to go see some museums to check them out. So trying to digest on the way because I feel like I'm exploding. But we'll make our way there. So about like a 40-minute walk. So we are in the museum right now, learning about all like the culture and the history of like Germany from 1945 to present day. So yeah, it's really cool. Like the setup of everything and all this stuff is really nice. So yeah, I'm just walking through reading and looking at everything in here. So we just went through the whole museum. It was really cool just to like learn a bit about history. It was kind of hard because like everything was basically in German, and they just had like little descriptions in like English, but all like the items like to describe what they were all in German. But like you kind of get the idea of what they are and like what's happening in like the time periods. But it was just really interesting to see something because I feel like I'm so used to seeing like Canadian culture, Portuguese culture, so it's kind of cool to learn about different culture. And yeah, but it was interesting. Now we're at the museum cafe. We're just gonna get a little drink to hydrate, and then we're gonna go to the art museum and see what happens there. We're just walking over to the art museum, but it is actually raining now, as you can tell by the clouds, which sucks. So I'll probably take a tram home because I don't want to walk if it's gonna be pouring on us. This is where we're going. Way over there. Or no, that way. Sorry, it's hard to point. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna try to get there not soaked. This one is all about architecture. The last one I saw kind of weirded me out. I can't lie, but it was okay. Yeah, this one's cool. This one's really cool. I ended up having like glass in it, but I'm trying to figure out whether these like pictures up here are like AI of like what it could be like in real life, or like if they're actually. This one's cool too. I think this is my favorite. It just looks cool. We're now on the roof, so this is like another exhibit. There's not too much up here going on, but there's a slide, so we're actually gonna go down that in a second. But I was just gonna look over to see the view. Okay, we have now left, and now we're going to go on a tram, and we're gonna go back. But look how cool this little... I feel like I've seen this in my dreams before. I just want to say that. It's freaky, but... I just came into this bathroom, but look how funky this is. We've come here to get noodles, which you probably can't hear me because of the bells, but... Okay, we just had like a peanut butter salad, which is actually so good. Peanut butter is so good. And this is my tofu vegan ramen. I actually have no idea what you got.
I took the one with the burrito.
Oh, it's also vegan, so. Dun, dun, dun. It's the last one. And this is our little breakfast today. Nom, nom, nom. I'm now packed, ready to go, leaving Hoka. But you know, we still have more adventures and we'll see each other again, so that's all that matters. But this is the end of the Germany. That is the end of the Germany vlogs. To the next one. Bye.